Hello lovelies, this is the stepped running stitch. You need to draw 2 parallel lines. Use a heat erasable or a washable fabric pen. And we're going to do 2 lines of running stitch. Do the top line, and when you do the bottom line, those stitches are going to be directly below and in the middle of the gaps above, so they're staggered. You're going to start on the bottom line and we're going to come up through the fabric just slightly left of that first bottom stitch. Bring your needle up through, and we're not going to go through the fabric at any point from now on until the very end. We're going to take our needle up and under that first bottom stitch, and then we're going to slide our needle under the top stitch. You see, under the bottom, under the top. Pull them gently through, and we're going to go back down through the fabric on the second top stitch and back down through the bottom first stitch. Don't pull it too tight. You want it to have a nice little curve on the top and the bottom. So down under that first stitch. Now we're going to come up through underneath that bottom second stitch and up and underneath that top second stitch, and we're going to do this all the way to the end. Here's a much more speedy version so you don't get bored, but remember to keep those loops nice and soft. You want it to have a nice curvy effect. And the way we're going to finish off this row of stitches is to go down through the fabric at the very bottom, right next to teeny tiny space next to that last stitch, and keep it nice and curvy. And that was the stepped running stitch. Isn't it lovely? Happy stitching.